Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about how to decrease the vibrations in the Poco X3 friends. So finally, there is a solution how to decrease the vibrations in the Poco X3 device. So even if you are using the case, the vibration doesn't decrease. So there's actually inbuilt settings where you need to change in the Poco X3 smartphone to enable this feature. So make sure to watch till complete end of the video to get to know more details about this vibration decreasing intensity in the Poco X3 as well. So same, I did a video on the vibration intensity test using this small rise here, as you can see. So same in this video, I'm going to do the same kind of test here after enabling the option and before enabling the option, and let's compare even the sound quality before and after. So what will happen after you enable this option, and is the vibrations actually decreased or not? I'll try to show you everything in terms of the volume point of view and in terms of the vibration intensity as well. So let me try to show you exactly the phone model. As you can see friends, I'm using the Poco X3 device, and this is iOS 14 launcher, so which recently I did install, and it's working pretty fine in my phone. And try to check that video as well in case if you are interested. I already uploaded the video about this complete thing, and even there's a playlist available about the Poco X3 where I describe each and every point of Poco X3 smartphone. And let me start the test right now. So first I'll be starting with without using any settings. So let's see how much the vibrations will be there once the sound has been increased. So let me try to increase the volume. So all friends, now we did see before enabling the option, and now let me try to show you what is the option which is available in the settings. So if you go to the settings, so just type for the mono audio, as you can see here, so which is available in the settings. So right now, if you enable this option, you do have a option of shifting the sound from left speaker to the right speaker, as you can clearly see here friends. So right now it is in the balanced state. So as you can see, it's exactly in the balanced state. So if you shift completely to the right, what happens is that maximum volume will be shifted to the downwards bottom facing speaker. So most of the vibrations are there only on the top area below this camera bump, exactly this location. So there's a huge vibrations going on. So that's why I did try to use completely to the right speaker. So usually top one will be the left speaker and the bottom one will be the right speaker. So now after enabling this option, and I'll try to play the same audio in full volume, and let's see even what decibels you are getting here and how is the vibrations going on. So right now let me try to increase the volume little by little. So as you can see here friends, I did play the sound with the full volume, and there are no vibrations at all on the back side. There's a little bit on the bottom, but not that much like before. So definitely there is a noticeable significant amount of decreasing in terms of the vibrations. So finally there is a solution for this one, how to decrease the vibrations. And now even you did see the sound volume not increased much, because sound was coming from the only from the this bottom facing speaker. So that's why you did not see the number increasing to the more than 90 decibels. That's the one thing I did notice. And next is that I'll try using the case. So let me go back to the same option and try to disable this option, because few of the users, they did ask me whether the vibrations will be decreased using the case or not. So let me try to do even that test right now in this kind of demonstration. So let me try to wear the case, and here is a complete transparent case, which is very good and not like a cheap case. It doesn't look like cheap, it's very strong as well. That's there's so much of thick layer of case going on, not very thin layer. So let me try to I have disabled the audio here, and now let me try to play the same audio, giving some rise on the back panel. So to get back to the normal mode, again you need to set into the 50%, and now you can disable that option. For example, if you use the full complete right percentage, and if you disable, the option will be stayed only in the previous mode what you set. So make sure to keep it properly. So that was a mistake I did, and now I am disabling now. And let me try to play the audio. And right now let me try to increase the volume gradually. You can see the vibrations, how much it is. So finally friends, the solution is only to decrease using the mono audio, so changing the audio from left speaker to the right speaker. But there is another drawback as well. You might be getting a little bit kind of less volume if you do that. So I'm not sure what is the whole point in having the dual stereo speaker setup if you want to do this kind of thing. So where you will be missing the stereo effects as well. But there is another frustration going on with so many users, that because of the back vibration they are feeling very uncomfortable. So at least we got a solution here finally. And one more thing is that even we got to know that using the case also doesn't help at all. So there is a 0% help in the case. There is no use at all using the case as well. Still the vibrations are pretty strong in the Poco X3 device under this camera bump area. So here is a solution friends. Finally I did a video on that one, and because this is a request, most of the users, they did ask me how to decrease the audio, like how to decrease the speakers vibration intensity, and if you use the case whether the vibration will be normal or not. And we got that 2 answers in this one video. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. And in case if you are having any other doubts, do comment below. And before commenting, try to check the playlist. If you don't find any video in the playlist, then you can comment below. I'll try to make a video on that one. And thank you for watching this video till end, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.